I thought cataract surgery would be the answer. I thought it would fix everything, but it didn't. And that was one thing that no one warned me about. There are so many stories about people getting 20/20 vision afterwards, and I was in that case. So if you are here in this video today, I'm going to share about my cataract surgery and some of the things that people do regret. My name is Peter and I have glaucoma. I've been through cataract surgery and I just want to share everything with you guys. So here are the 5 reasons that people do regret. Number one is that people go in there with false hopes. What do I mean by that? Is that your expectation versus realities. You expect to have clear vision, but in reality, you don't have clear vision. You expect to have the best vision, 4K vision, but it's not going to be like that. Sometimes, whatever you already have with your eyes, like optic nerve damage from glaucoma, that is permanent. So don't go in assuming cataract surgery is going to fix your vision. Number two is that people regret that they rush into it. Don't go rushing into cataract surgery because it's the answer to a clear vision, because it's not the answer to everything and it's not the answer to getting the best quality vision overall. Because for myself, I rushed into it and I don't want you guys to rush into it. So take my advice and also do your research too. Number three is going to be the prescriptions. People assume that, oh, I'm going to be glasses free, but you don't. So I started off with single vision. And when I started off with single vision, after the cataract surgery, I had to go into bifocals. So make sure you do your research on the prescription, because if you can handle any multifocal progressive lenses, then it could be an option for you. For me, I wasn't ready. I didn't know anything about this. No one told me. So I still went ahead with the cataract surgery. But the fourth thing is going to be the emotional aspect. You have this feeling and happiness or excitement that you expect because you're going to have the 4K vision, as I mentioned, but you don't. Everything that you believe that's going to happen with 20/20 vision is just not possible. You can't be thinking like, oh, cataract surgery is the answer, but yet it's not the answer. So please don't put too much stress on yourself, because even if you get cataract surgery and don't see the best, I know it's rough on you and you expect something better. So don't let it really make you sad or down. It's just one thing that it comes with, because I didn't know that as well. I thought I was going to have clear vision and all that. And the fifth thing is that people with cataract surgery are really going to have the side effects. That's one thing people are going to regret as well. When you go into cataract surgery, the dry eyes, the itchiness, the redness, the light sensitivity, the halos, you think it's going to be gone, but it's not completely gone. Cataract surgery can only do so much, and all the dryness, light sensitivity will still be there. Not only that, the cataract surgery can also make it worse. So it's very important to take that into consideration. Those are the 5 reasons that people do regret cataract surgery. If it were my tips on what I would recommend for people to do before they go into cataract surgery, number one, do your research. You want to do your research. Are you going to be ready for any kind of multifocal lenses, bifocal lenses, any prescription changes? Because you don't want to go in expecting, oh, hey, once I get cataract surgery, I'm going to get clear vision, no more glasses. That is not the reality. So make sure you do your research and be prepared. You're still going to wear glasses. Number two is, are you going to be ready to feel the side effects? Are you able to handle the side effects? Because the dry eyes will still come with it. The redness may still come with it. That's one thing you have to be ready for. So be understanding on that part. A third step is, are you a right candidate? Ask your doctor, ask your ophthalmologist, ask your optometrist, are you a perfect candidate for cataract surgery? Because sometimes they may just recommend cataract surgery because you have cataract, but are you actually someone who is a good qualified candidate for it. Because if you are not, it may not be something that is going to help you long term. So just make sure you are a good qualified candidate. And the last tip I would suggest is always go for a second opinion. You always want to get a second opinion because who doesn't? A second opinion from any doctor is going to help because a second opinion could tell you way more than what a first doctor does. So if you're going to ask me, do I regret cataract surgery? I would say no, just because it gave me a more learning experience of trying different glasses. Even with the glasses I have currently, they're progressive. I have blue light filters on them. So, do I regret it? No. Again, it's something I experienced and learned on the way. Would I feel like I wanted to know more about it? Yes, because I wanted people to tell me about it because somebody wasn't ready for cataract surgery. I was barely 12 when I got cataract surgery. Cataract is someone who has it when they're older, but yet I had it when I was younger. And now having glaucoma on top of cataract surgery is just totally different. So I had it before glaucoma, so it's nothing for me to really over stress about. It's just something I wish I would have known and if I was a good qualified candidate for it. So overall, I don't regret it. Would I would like more answers and research on it? Yes. But when you're a kid, no one's gonna tell you that. So overall, do I recommend cataract surgery? It really depends on your eye health and on your situation because you could be dealing with glaucoma and optic nerve damage, and cataract surgery may not be for you. It can cause more harm than good, and you may have macular degeneration. So it can be like a double dose of different eye things to do. You could also face diabetes that affect your eye health. So when it comes to me recommending cataract surgery, I would say ask your provider, ask your doctor because they know your eye health better. And I just want to make sure that you guys don't regret going into the doctor or into your surgery saying, oh, I expected more, but I got less. Because these are things that people go in thinking they're going to get 24K vision, but in reality, they didn't. And if you did enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe because my goal here is really just to give tips and inspire others so that they don't go through the same thing that I'm going to. I want people to understand that eye health is very important, that you should take care of your eyes, and it's important because you want to see the world and live a happier and better life. Thank you guys.